Okay, bhai. You watch the road, don't watch the camera. Okay, bhai.
No, I am stop. No right.
If you watch the camera, me die. Hey.
Okay.
You don't go from there, okay? You go from here only. Bismillah. Say subhanallah, astaghfirullah. Kunna muqrimin. Ila rabbina. Lamang qalbu. Brothers and sisters, this is the masjid. Yeah, masjid. Brother. I come to pray here, Jummah. I can show you. We come here to pray Jummah. Hey, you watch the road, hey, bhai. Show masjid. Okay, masjid just down there. Okay, you can see the Manara, right? Yeah, man, 1 minute. Can you see that guy? That is the masjid. Okay. I walk across from there because I stay there. I have walked across. So today we come with the bike. I want to show you. Okay, bro, go. You watch the road. If you watch the camera, me will die. Make it pain. Holding the camera so long. You can become a cameraman, right? No, take care the road. We take care the camera. Next time me mobile, okay? This is one school behind me. You see, one Islamic school there.
नहीं no way, ये sliding है.
Okay, sliding.
Yes.
Okay, sliding good.
Sliding and you go from this side, okay?
Sliding. Bismillah. Sliding good. I love sliding, bhai.
You sliding all inside.
I think go inside.
Okay, good.
You watch the road, okay?
Okay, no watch traffic story, okay?
You don't watch the Bakri, goat. Call it goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Yeah, Bakri. Okay, Bakri. Goat. I have the story of goat. You never watched the story of goat?